Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
2 hours. Once you hit this sweet spot, take your slightly jiggly pecan pie out of the oven and place it on a wire cooling rack. The filling will continue to cook and fully set as the pie cools. Let your pie finish setting and cool completely for at least 2 hours.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pecan pie should only be left at room temperature for up to 2 hours. You will need to eat the pecan pie within this time or allow it to cool to room temperature before placing it in the freezer or fridge for longer storage. As pecan pie contains eggs, it cannot be left out at room temperature for more than 2 hours.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Pay attention to bake times. One reason you'll often end up with a runny fruit pie is simply that it hasn't been baked long enough. Any thickener you use needs a little time to set up, and people often see their crust turning light brown and think the pie is done when it's really not.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.